Lance with Will It Play It. I'm doing a video on this Alienware that I'm upgrading. It's an old Alienware I picked up on Facebook for 20 bucks. Actually got on Facebook Marketplace for $20 and tried to play games with it, but it was far too outdated to play any video games. Like, it has oh shit, that's not the video card. We've got quite a bit of shit here, but this is the video card it had. Was the 9500 GT, and needless to say, it would not play it. It wouldn't play anything. So I'm upgrading to a gigabyte video card, gigabyte motherboard. What the heck that is? H110-d3a motherboard, which is a bit mining motherboard. Let me switch this around here, or actually I'll stop the video here, switch it around, let you take a look at the motherboard. Here we can see the motherboard. It's nothing super desirable, but has DDR4 RAM slot, which before it was just DDR, and it wasn't even DDR2, it was just plain old DDR RAM. Got it all apart here, all my tools out. There's the old motherboard right there. And one of my neighbors on Let Go gave me a computer today with a fairly decent 600 and it's just a 600 watt power supply, but it's exactly what this build needed. So it got me started on my way. Plus I used the CPU cooler on it. It fit, which was surprising. That was another thing that was holding me back. I had to buy a CPU cooler for this, and with the whole coronavirus going on, it would probably take months before it actually got here, so I just put it off. So yeah, keep you updated on this, or actually I'll probably just add everything into this video. Have a good one. Well, I've got it done finally, and playing in World of Warcraft right now just to see what the FPS is in World of Warcraft. I don't get any averages this way, but I can see it dropping down to around 30, and so pretty heavily populated area right now in Stormwind. So there's a lot going on, but as you see, going out of town. And mind you, this is on Ultra. This is maxed out. I mean, this is at 10. Everything on high and Ultra. So, getting out into open world, I'm watching my FPS go up as I'm getting out. And I mean, I have a 1070 Founders Edition card, and I have a 1650, and they don't do a whole lot better than this, really. Somewhat better, but yeah. Actually, they do a lot better, because I'm seeing my FPS only going up to around 90, and we'd be probably seeing numbers around 150, 160, but still, you know, a computer built under $100, I mean $200, my bad, under 200 bucks, not a really bad deal, and it seems to be fairly decent. I picked the case up, well, I picked up the whole entire computer for 20 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. It worked, but really was so old that wasn't practical for any kind of use. But I picked up all these components here. You can't really see, but the motherboard I have right now, I picked it up for $40 with a CPU, a Celeron CPU 4-core, 7th gen CPU. Like I said, I picked that up for 40 bucks, and it had a few pins bent on the motherboard on the socket where the CPU goes into, but I straightened those out and it works great. I picked up the power supply for $60, and the GPU I bought for $50 on LetGo, or maybe OfferUp. I think that was actually on OfferUp. So yeah, not a bad deal for a decent PC that, you know, can get over 60 FPS in most instances. Yeah. Thanks for watching.